Alrighty guys, welcome back to episode 4, I believe, of the series, right? 1, 2, 3 parts. Yeah, 4, episode 4 of the series, and we're gonna start on the engine disassembly and potentially the engine rebuild. That might be a 2-part episode. So we're gonna work on stripping down this motor. Now, right now it's on my engine stand. It looks a little bit weighted and heavy. So I don't know if the bolts that I put on there are gonna last long. I do have the engine stand, the engine crane for backup to hold it up while it's parked. But what we're gonna do today is start stripping stuff off. We're gonna first drain the oil in it because that oil has been there for so long. We don't know how long it's been in there. We bought the upper gasket kit from the head gasket kit that comes with everything from Felpro. And then we bought the lower gasket kit, which came from Cometic. Felpro didn't make him, it was hard to get him, so Cometic was the only one. And Cometic is actually a really good brand. It's for more racing applications. We are gonna come back here. We already stripped some of the stuff out to get the transmission separated from the motor. But now we are left with basically the entire motor on the stand. So we're gonna work with draining the oil first, and then let's remove everything else after. So let's get started. Oh man, this head gasket blew. This definitely had a blown head gasket. It's pure water in this motor. It's sludgy. It's nasty. Head gasket blew on this. Crazy. Well, good thing we're rebuilding it. Alrighty guys, so I don't know who can really see this, but we basically got this side of the engine stripped down. Not sure what's going on with the motor, but you can see there's a lot of oil leaks on this. But when I remove the exhaust manifold, there's a lot of deposits, like calcium deposits. I'm not sure what that is, but there's a ton of it. There's a ton of calcium deposits, and I'm just glad that we're gonna rebuild this motor because this definitely needs a build.
times were like a dream, and these tears, they keep on falling. That open road is calling, with me till early morning. In my heart, you're an angel in the night. Take the long way home. Wish you were by my side. Now I'm all alone. Shifting gears, feeling the power. Horses running in the midnight hour. Foot down, I'm out for adventure. Got a feeling this road might last forever. If you were with me, oh, I'd hold you tight. Open the throttle and drive through the night.
So we broke down the top of the engine, and this is what I'm seeing. This looks terrible. I'm hoping the machine shop will actually have good news that they can fix this, whatever this is, and we don't need to get a whole different engine or a whole new platform. But besides all of this crud, and trust me, this side is just as worse, just not as bad as this, but just as worse. If they tell me, well, if I'm having a hard time locating certain sensors that go for this engine, or locating certain parts to piece this together to make it a lot better, well, or also if the machine shop tells me like, hey, this engine block is done for, get something else, well, I'm open to looking at a whole different platform of motor, maybe a 4-cylinder turboed, maybe something else. Y'all can comment in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think I should do. This honestly looks super terrible to me. You know what? Let me show you a close-up. Let me just show you a close-up. So here we are. Here's the close-up. This is the first cylinder. There's a lot of gunk in there. This one's shot. This one, well, this is something that, well, we don't need that. But like, look at that. Like how? The ports over here in the front were super gummed up, and I cleaned those out. Let me see if I can get light for y'all. But the ports were insanely gummed. Look at that. Like, I don't think that's a good thing. You know, so hopefully the machine shop tells me they can dip this in some acid and we'll be good to go. Yep, well, the fun doesn't stop there because we still got to flip this over and get the oil pan off. So let's just continue. Let's see what we got.